You want to build a Power BI dashboard, but you have no idea how to design the layout. You scroll through Dribble for inspiration, but actually creating the design yourself? That's a whole different story. In this video, I'll show you how I went from zero design skills to creating polished dashboard mockups in minutes. Stick around because I'll show you the exact transformation and how you can do it too. Here's the situation. You want to build a Power BI dashboard, or maybe you want to hire someone to build it for you. But first, you need to know what it should look like. You can browse Dribble or Pinterest for ideas, and sure, you find beautiful dashboards. But then, you open your design tool, and nothing. You don't know where to start. Designing it yourself feels impossible because you're technical, not a designer. What you really want is simple, a beautiful Power BI dashboard design that you can show as a first mock-up. Something you can hand to a developer or use as a guide to build it yourself in Power BI. You want it to look professional, clean tiles, clear charts, good spacing, so stakeholders or clients take you seriously. But you're stuck because you don't have design skills. So what's stopping you? First, you don't know how to make a design for a mock-up. Where do the tiles go? What colors? What fonts? Second, you don't have a feel for visual design because you're too technical. You think in data and logic, not layouts and spacing. And third, you don't even know where to begin. Do you sketch on paper, use a design tool, hire a designer? It all feels overwhelming, and you end up doing nothing. But then I found something that changed everything. It's called UX Pilot, and it's an AI-powered design tool that creates dashboard mockups for you. No design skills needed. You just describe what you want and it builds it. And the best part? You can pull those mockups into Figma and adjust them by hand to fit exactly what you need. Let me show you what happened. Here's what changed for me. Instead of staring at a blank screen, I could explore multiple dashboard layouts in seconds. I'd describe what I wanted: KPI tiles, charts, tables, and UX Pilot would give me options: desktop, mobile, whatever I needed. I could test 3 different layouts in the time it used to take me to do nothing. Then I'd pick one and turn it into a polished, professional-looking design with real colors, fonts, and spacing. I could show this to clients or stakeholders right away, and they'd see a finished product, not rough sketches. But here's where it gets even better. Let's say I wanted to change something. Maybe the table needed more rows, or I wanted to add a filter bar. I didn't have to rebuild the whole screen. I could edit just that section. I saved hours because I was only fixing one piece, not starting over. And when I was happy with the design, I could save it and pull it into Figma. Now I had full control. I could adjust colors to match my brand, move things around, add my logo. I got the speed of AI plus the control of manual design. If I needed multiple screens, like an overview page, a detail page, and a filters page, it would generate all of them at once and keep the style consistent. My designs stayed uniform, and I didn't have to copy-paste everything manually. And there's one more thing. If I only needed one piece, like a chart, a KPI tile, or a filter button, I could generate just that component. I built a library of pieces I could drop into any dashboard project. I could even import my own brand components, so everything stayed on brand. Every mockup I made looked consistent and professional, without extra work. Here's the result. I went from someone who couldn't design a mockup to someone who creates polished dashboard designs in minutes. I don't dread the design phase anymore. I actually look forward to it because it's fast and easy. I make mockups quickly, show them to clients or stakeholders, get approval faster, and then I build the actual Power BI dashboard with a clear guide in front of me. My whole workflow is faster and simpler, and I feel confident showing my work. No more design stress, no more staring at blank screens. Just results. You might be thinking, does this actually work for other people? According to UX Pilot, users save more than 20 hours every week, and projects get done up to 80% faster. It has a 4.9 rating, and over 300,000 people use it. Designers, developers, analysts, people just like you, are using it to speed up their work. I'll put a link to real testimonials in the description so you can see what they say. If you want to go from, I don't know how to design, to, I just made a polished dashboard mockup, you can start UX Pilot for free. No credit card needed. Use the link in the description and pinned comment. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And And if this video helped, hit the like button so more Power BI developers and analysts can find it. Thanks for watching.